Florida estate lawyers and James Gandolfini's Rolex watch. Hello, my name is John P.L.L.C. I'm a probate lawyer with the P.L.C. Law Firm in West Palm Beach, Florida. Our firm does not draft wills or trusts or administer estate plans. We don't write estate plans. We handle disputes, trials, and appeals involving wills, trusts, and estates, probates and guardianships, and related business and commercial litigation. So NBC News has reported today, May 18, 2016, that James Gandolfini's Rolex watch is the subject of a criminal matter in Italy. When the Sopranos actor James Gandolfini collapsed in 2013 in a Rome hotel, there's a question about whether he was wearing his Rolex Submariner watch or not. And now there's a trial in Italy, evidently, on the paramedic who attended to James Gandolfini, the Sopranos star, and whether that person took that Rolex watch or not, or whether it was lost in the hotel or something like that. So why are we talking about James Gandolfini and the Sopranos Rolex watch and his estate in commentary for Florida probate litigation? Well, not surprisingly, personal property like Rolexes, jewelries, watches, and gold is the subject of a lot of estate litigation in Florida, right? Whether you're in Collier County in Naples or Hillsborough County in Tampa to Palm Beach and Fort Lauderdale or Delray Beach, family members seem to be embroiled in disputes involving personal property. Who's going to inherit that watch? Who's going to get grandmother's ring? Who's going to get other personal artifacts or contents of a safe deposit box? How can you avoid some of these disputes, these civil disputes, these probate disputes involving personal property or jewelry? Well, you can do a few things, first of all, but you really should talk to your estate planning attorney in Florida to determine what's best for you. One is you can leave your personal property under your will. Two, you can retitle all your personal property in the name of your revocable or living trust and give it to your trustee. Three, you can safeguard all your property in one particular area, such as a safe in your house or a safety deposit box in the bank. Four, you should probably keep any appraisals that you have and any insurance contracts with the jewelry. That way your estate administrator, your personal representative of your Florida probate, or the trustee of your revocable trust will know what jewelry you had at the time of your passing and what they were insured for if they don't show up, and have an idea of what they're worth. Although most Florida probate lawyers will go out and get an appraisal of that jewelry or that personal property. Finally, you should know about a tangible personal property memo in Florida. Florida estate lawyers often advise their clients about this and will draft them for them. You can leave certain personal property, so-called tangible personal property, that property which you can feel and touch, which you're capable of holding and giving. You can leave that by way of a memo, a so-called will substitute, if you comply with the Florida Trust Code and your tangible personal property memo is proper. So, James Gandolfini's estate does not seem to be involved in the criminal matter in Italy, that trial involving the Soprano star's Rolex watch, probably because it doesn't make sense for them to do that. Although if it is recovered, it'll probably go back to the estate to be administered according to James Gandolfini's estate. My name is John P.L.L.C. This concludes my remarks about this Florida estate litigation topic.